The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency for the following counties or areas: United States of America, District of Columbia. An abnormal situation is occurring across the world. Many people have reported that the situation they woke up to would be an aftermath of what occurred in their dreams throughout the night. All residents are advised to stay awake by all means until more research is done on this phenomena. Remain tuned to commercial radio, NOAA weather radio, or television for updates on this situation.